Hi, little yogis. Let's stretch, move, and become super flexible together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Stand tall. Reach up. Breathe in.
Reach up to the sky. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Do it just like me. Stand like a tree. Breath in and smile. Very good.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg.
Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
We raise one arm up. We slowly bend to the side.
Nice job.
Same pose. Now we raise our other hand up. Slowly bend to the side. Very good. Now, we will do the warrior pose. One leg forward, the other back. We bend the front knee. We raise our arms up. We keep our torso upright. We are strong.
Excellent.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg. You're doing great. Step wide. Bend your front knee. Arms out strong. Look forward. Awesome. Other side now. Bend. Arms out. Stay strong.
Excellent.
Sit low. Reach your arms forward. Feel the power in your legs. Hold it. Don't give up. Very good. Stand tall. Bend forward. Reach toward the floor. Awesome. Let's keep going. Please sit down now. Sit comfortably, relax and breathe. You are doing great. Sit comfortably.
Reach up to the sky.
Smile. You are doing very well. Sit comfortably. Lift one arm. Gently stretch to the side.
Excellent.
Same pose. Now we raise our other hand up. Slowly bend to the side. Very good. Stretch your legs. Bend forward gently. Breathe out and relax.
Excellent.
Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out. Awesome. Let's keep going. Squat down. Place one hand on the floor. Raise the other hand up. Twist your body and look up.
Excellent.
Now, the other side. Place your other hand on the floor. Raise the opposite arm up. Twist and look up. You are doing very well. Now we're going to do camel pose. Knees on the ground, body upright, hands on hips. Slowly bend backwards. Very good. Lie on your back. Bend your knees. Lift your hips. You're doing great. Place your hands and knees on the floor. Keep your back flat like a table.
We have completed the yoga exercises with you. You did very well. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.